Now we are in front of the Royal Palace in Norway. This is in Oslo. This is Norwegian royal residence. But it's relatively modest and small royal palace, but as a royal residence is always, you know, magnificent, right? There's a long, there's a long line. So
what about the 3,000 concubines? Where do they live?
That's Chinese emperor.
Yeah,
that's not, yeah. So there's such a long line. Probably we won't get into it to visit this time. But as I said, my son will come to Northern Europe to study abroad in his either junior year or senior year. We will have a lot of chance to come here to revisit. It's nice. It's a nice environment anyway.